Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll talk about how you can export your 3D model with the texture, with the material to the Unity engine. So you can use it in your game or however you like. So you can do it with your model, or if you are downloading from like website like Sketchfab and everything, so you can also download and export it directly from Blender to the Unity, because which we will talk about in the video further. So let's start with the simple scene. Let me delete everything. Let's just put a plane, and with plane I think I downloaded the material texture from the Polyheaven, which is this ground, simple ground. So what we will do is we will add the texture over here, principal with the principal BSDF. Right, and I'm gonna find this texture. This should be around here. Okay, texture. Yeah, I will select everything. You see, I'm selecting everything because I use the node rendezvous add-on, which you can control Shift and T, where you can directly attach all the texture to your model instantly with just one click. Control Shift T. That's it. Yeah. So basically, what we need is, since we are using it for the Unity, we don't need this texture coordinate and the mapping node. It will be directly affect the UV, so whatever you are doing it, just use the UV, but do not change the mapping from scaling or anything from here. Rather than that, we don't need this one, so we'll delete this one. Yes, basically we will need roughness, normal, and displacement. Yeah, we don't need displacement either. So as you know, we are creating a game ready asset, so it can be a problematic for it. Alright, let's add something else. Let's just put a simple cube, I guess. You can see I'm not using it with the real life scaling, but since for this video I'm just gonna create a simple cube, and this whenever you are scaling your object or anything like that, just apply all the transform, apply the scale. Since if you see the scale here, it will 0.3089. So whenever you are applying, just Control A, all transform, it will modify to directly 1. Okay, so we will create a new texture again. I'm using the same thing, Control Shift T, and I think we will use the wood. I think, yeah. So wood we'll add here. As I told you before, we don't need this one, so we'll just you can keep it, you can delete it, but just don't change anything from the mapping node. Yeah, so it look a bit weird. So what I can do is I can directly go to the UV editor and go to the edit mode. As you can see all the faces. What you can do is you can scale it from here. So what you want to do is just scale it over here, as long as you like. I think this one is for now it's perfect. This video is not about UV editing or anything like that, but as you can see what I'm trying to do here. Alright, so what you can do is first of all, just save the project. Without saving is sometimes the texture will not come, so always save your project. Alright, so what we do here is we will take both of the thing, this one here. Let me create another one. Alright, so we will create all three to the Unity engine. So if you want to bring all the object to the Unity engine with the FBX, just select everything. Either just if you just want to take this ground, then just select the ground. So we'll select everything. We'll go to File, Export, FBX. In FBX, it will ask you where you want to save your FBX. That's it. In the path mode, we will use the copy and we'll check this icon, embedded texture, so it will embed all the texture within FBX. Export FBX. As you can see, we are in a Unity. Our yes, so our exported XBX is here. We will just drag it and drop it here. If you see, you don't see any texture around here, right? Just you can see it. For that, you just go over here, location, use the external materials, use the legacy, apply it. Once you apply it, it will ask for you, like, some normal map are not working, or which we have to fix afterward. So for now, if you can just click the fix now, it will automatically fix the normal map to the normal map, since in the game engine it will automatically detect which is the normal map. So just click fix now, and then you can directly put it over here. Once you put it, you can see our whole material and everything is here. Yeah, so let's talk about a small thing. Sometimes in Unity engine, like, whenever you are like exporting something, you see like yeah, you're on the top view, but if you're on the like down here, and if you see over here, you see the transparent background, right? Since the plane is still here, but you don't see the texture. So that is a problem with the normal. So to simply sort out that problem, all you have to do, go to the Blender, select that one, add a modifier. This is a simple way I mostly use this, so I don't need to worry about anything else, since we are only seeing in the one side. But sometimes there is like some wall where you have to, like, if it is only a plane, a single face, it will create some problem in the Unity engine, like it will create a transparent background. So just give it a solidify, maybe some thickness. Yeah, and don't forget to apply it. You have to apply it. Yeah, select everything, export. Same thing as we did, FBX, copy, check this icon. Even it will automatically replace the last one. Export. Yeah, just go to Unity, and this is our new FBX. You can see it both were named T1, so it automatically changed the name of this one. So T11. Let's delete this one. We'll use the same thing. Use external and apply. Once you apply, just drag it and drop it. Now if you look from the bottom, you can see there is no transparent background. You don't need to, I think too much thickness, but you don't need to, but just give it a 0.1 something, so it will not flip the normal on the both side. Alright, yeah, so this is it. And for the other thing, like sometimes you see on the Sketchpad, right, like there are some models or 3D, like, and at the entire scene which are not really FBX, but you want to use that one. So what you can do is you can just go that, like, I see this sea house. If you download it, it does not have any FBX format, right? So what you can do is just download a GLB. Right now I'm using the texture size 1K. So just download it, and what you can do is just go to the Blender. Right now I'm deleting everything. File, import, and GLB. So after the GLB, you can directly, okay, so I'm gonna import it from here to the sea house. Alright, so this you can see it's a GLB. Let's edit here. So as you can see, with the GLB, the texture are the embedded, so it will come up with the texture, the entire thing. But when you export it, it won't come with the texture in the Unity engine. So what you can do is, it is already UV and it has already UV and everything, so you don't need to worry about anything. So basically what you can do is you have to select everything, each and every like part, like this floor. So you will select this floor, you will select this one. So what you can do is Right now, as for this video, we'll delete this one since we don't need one. What you can do is just select here. All right. So see, for this you need to save the blend file, as we already saved it. Now it has the location where the blend file is, right? So what you can do is you need a base color, obviously. So you will click here and use file from the current directory. So it will automatically save this texture to our location where our blend file is. So we'll click here for roughness. We'll click obviously here, and for the normal map we'll click here. Okay, same thing we'll do it for the entire project, entire scene. All right. Alright, so once everything is done, select everything, file, export, FBX. We'll name it obviously C house. Same thing as we did before. Copy and the check mark. Okay. Export. Alright, it is already exported. We'll try to put our C house over here. Okay, as you can see, there are no material, there is nothing. What we can do is just use the external bypass materials, and we will apply it. Once you apply it, it will automatically ask for the same thing. It has this problem, like normal map problem. We will put it for fix now, for right now. And what we can do is we can directly edit here. As you can see, as we did it, it is already came up with all the texture that we need. Yeah, this white texture, it didn't come because I thought I think I forgot to implement the same thing with those parts. As you can see, you can directly add those kind of models which are not FBX, but you really want to edit in the Unity. Alright guys, thanks, and this is my first video. I will try to make more videos, and do let me know. Sorry for my English, and thank you. Like, share, subscribe, do comment something, or maybe some suggestion or anything like that, or if you have any request, do let me know. I do make level design and game assets, so if you have any requests, do let me know. Alright guys, thank you.